Taking me a while. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back here with another video today, and I have a silver egg. A silver egg's not that useful, but I heard a code called pre-update. I told my cousin about this, but he doesn't know how to hatch it when he already does have a basic egg. I mean, it's the same way. Like, drag it, put it in the hive, but I can't put it in my hive yet, since all my bees are full. I mean, this guy has a lot of bees. The only reason why I got these two extra bees was from this. Extra hive slot for sale. Hive slot. A bamboo field again. Look, there's something with this bear. Brown bear. He's not an actual brown bear. If you think about it, pain are like bamboos. So why does he pick bamboo field over and over again? Doesn't make sense. If you see it, the bees make extra honey now. It's kind of like the raise your hand if you know Thinksia. Because I already know that YouTuber. Have you seen his videos already? Why I just forgot my. Oh my god! I just. Oh my god! I just forgot it. Those two die literally at the same time. And what was my question actually? This is a lot of thing to do. Check it. Oh wow, I didn't even notice. I can't believe I forgot my question. Wait, what? Tell me. No. No! No! Oh, hi there, exhausted bee. Dang it. What happened? Did the game somehow crash into bits? There's a lot of legendaries and epics. Oh my god, he has a lot of energy. Almost like all your types. But the only thing he didn't get is the bear bee. I mean, think about it. The bear bee is a good epic event. Oh my! He has 30 bees. Let's see. Let's count that out to. Okay, there's 6 lines. Okay, so 5 times 6 is 30. So he has 30 bees. There's actually gonna be news. Oh. Wow. Okay. There's actually gonna be a new, what is it? A new song, new bee song. He probably just heard of the YouTube video and probably knew he had to get some rage bees. So this guy's probably legit prepared with all these rage bees. Because when the update, there's going to be a mini game which requires you to survive the longest. Actually, I heard it from other videos, so I didn't came up with this. I mean, it's awesome to do that because it seems cool and epic. And New Bear, what happened? What happened to the door? What happened? What happened? What happened to the door? Oh no, I tried! And that's what happened. And you guess what happened? And you guess what happened? And you guess what happened? He had to get a cycler. That's what it's called. I mean, this guy seems legit. Probably working his way for this bee. For the coldback bee. Even says it from the thing. Coldback bee. Because it already has the Christmian bee. Which type doesn't even shine? Basics. Look, they don't shine. Which shines the least? Rare. They shine the least. See? He has a little shiny there. Which shines more better than the rare? Epics. Two shine. Which is better than the epics? Legendaries. 3. Which is more better than all of them? Gummy Bee. Infinite. I mean, event bees. Which is better than to catch the coldback bee and the Christmian bee? These bees are just more bigger. Have you ever thought of it that the Christmian bee and the coldback bee from that shop are bigger than the other bees? Well, anyways, that's going to be the end of the video. Bye.